Hey everyone, Sadler here. Today we're going to install all Wire CLI into dependencies and start a local blockchain using the npm package Wire CLI. Let's dive in. First, let's make sure we are all supported Ubuntu release either 2204 or 2004 Focal. Check your distro with LSB release -A. I'm on 2204. That's good. I'm all set here. Next, we would need to install the Wire CLI package. But before, you would need to confirm your Node.js setup. I am on Node 20, I think. Yes. And you could also check the installation path for Node. In my case, I actually use NVM. And I think that it would differ from your setup. You might need to run npm install as sudo if you're not using NVM to manage that. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay. Next, let's verify installation, check the version. That's great. Check the path of the executable. Awesome. Let's grab the installation command and run it. The installation process itself is gonna run a little bit. It would install everything we need under opt wire network and opt wire system contract. Would also create the root level wallet. The very first thing that it's gonna do is gonna pull the Wire Sysio and CDT from our GitHub repository release pages. It's gonna install those. And the setup might take a while, but yeah, the next thing would be building and deploying the system contracts and creating accounts for those on the chain. Here I'm highlighting it for you, just to see some part of the building process. Here we already have created the wallet, importing a private key, and we are setting up the Genesis JSON and starting up the block producer process and the chain API process. Next is deploying all of those system contracts that I mentioned. And one of the last bit we're getting to is installing all of the protocol features, activating them. The good thing about using the Wire CLI is that you can, after spinning up this chain, you could go and uninstall it, install it, start fresh over, and you could reproduce this setup in any Ubuntu environment, basically. We are almost done here. I think a few more left. The last system contract we're deploying is actually Sysio raw. And after which we are creating a NodeDaddy account, which we would use this account as our node owner account. And we will see in the further tutorials why we needed to create it. But right now we are creating this account and we are registering him as a node owner as a part of the setup. So here we go. we completed the setup. Installation is complete. Let's check if everything is installed as you expected. Wire Sysio returns a full hash, full version string. Check CDT CPP, path installation, and version should be 401. Yeah, that's correct. If you really need to uninstall, as I mentioned, you just need to run this command and it will basically wipe off everything under OPT, including your wallet though. Here we could also check, let's tell the logs with that command. You could see that we are producing blocks successfully. Let's inspect the wallet. In our case, would actually return that it's unlocked because our script unlocks it. So, and don't worry about that little star. That star just means that it's unlocked. But if it's not, you could use that script under wire OPT wire network unlock wallet sh to unlock it. And the other important part is that wallets can exist on multiple Linux users. So we ran the script as sudo. Just make sure that we use it as sudo. Next, let's get info. With clear get info, we could see that our chain is producing. We got a head block num. If you keep running this, you're going to see that head block num is incrementing. You could essentially grab that same command and just hit the RPC endpoint. And that's it for today.